These are the T-Fun NC95 Bluetooth active noise cancellation headphones. These headphones are AirPods Lookalike, but at a fraction of the price of the AirPods. And they have some interesting features, so I thought I'll give you a review about them. So I'll be testing their sound quality by recording some sound clips on my binaural microphone. I'll be testing their microphone and also their active noise cancellation performance, their comfort. I'm gonna tell you about their specifications and their build quality, but most importantly, I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like about these headphones and if they are a good buy. The most important feature of these headphones is this multi-function knob. It is at the same time an on-off button, Bluetooth pairing button, volume control, playback control, and call control. And its usage is very intuitive. Also, another very important feature is the battery life of these headphones. You can use them up to 65 hours with active noise cancellation on, which is great. Other specifications, they have 40mm drivers, 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response range, Bluetooth 5.3, and they have a gaming mode which reduces their latency to 50 milliseconds, and they have an application that has an integrated equalizer. Now, comfort-wise, these headphones weigh 264 grams. They have big ear cups here, and the ear cups are wide and they are deep, so your ears will not touch the ear cups and the ear cushioning. The ear cushioning is made of soft memory foam, which is very nice to the touch, and the headband here is also cushioned. The cushioning of the headband is a little bit hard in my opinion, and the ear cups turn like this, but unfortunately they do not turn like this. And the headband, of course, it is adjustable here. So when I wear the headphones, I feel like they are really comfortable, and fortunately the lack of adjustment like this doesn't bother me. So you need to try these headphones to see if this lack of adjustment will bother you. I can wear them for hours without feeling any discomfort, and this is a very good thing. For the build quality, these headphones are made entirely of plastic. They feel light, but they are well assembled. There are some faults, for instance, on the stitching here, if you can see it, but this is not a big deal given the low price of these headphones. And the adjustment heel doesn't feel very smooth, but it works. Also, these headphones come with two cables. You have a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack cable that is 48 inches, USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the headphones that is 40 inches, and they come with this soft carrying pouch that is like vinyl. Now, talking about the connections and the controls, these headphones have here a 3.5mm connection, so you can use them without the battery, and here they have the USB-C charging port. On the right ear cup, I talked already about the multi-function knob, and here you have the active noise cancellation button. So they have active noise cancellation on, transparency mode on, or you can turn it off completely. Let's perform now the sound quality test on these headphones, and you're in for a big surprise.
The girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
Now that you listen to the sound quality test, I think that you already guessed what is the big surprise, and it is that the NC95 headphones produce a much better sound with active noise cancellation turned on as opposed to active noise cancellation turned off. Now, overall, I can describe the sound of these headphones that it is not aggressive, and it is a relaxed sound, and it does good on all the frequencies without enhancing one frequency over the other, and overall it is considered a good sound. Now I'll be performing the active noise cancellation test by recording the ambient sound of a plane.
ANC on.
One thing to note about the active noise cancellation is that it filters more the low frequencies than the mid and high frequencies. So if you use them on a plane, they are good, but if you use them, for instance, in a coffee shop, you can still hear the people talking. Also, the transparency mode works well in these headphones. Indoors and in a quiet environment, the microphone of these headphones work well. It is a little bit on the low side, so it's better to raise your voice so that the other party can hear you better. But overall, it is good. Here I am now in a noisy environment. It is windy, there are cars passing behind me, there are planes also passing, and the sound you're listening to now is coming from the microphone of my DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. And now this is the sound coming from the microphone of the T-Fun NC95 headphones. And when the noise is very high, the microphone of these headphones tend to cut a little bit. But overall, it's not a bad microphone in this environment. The application is called T-Fun and it is pretty straightforward, but I wanted to show you two important settings in this application. The first one is the game mode, so you can switch here the headphones from game mode to music mode. And the second thing, you can find it under settings here, and it is find headphones. And I was a little bit surprised that these affordable headphones have this feature, and this is a very neat feature in my opinion. Let me tell you now what I like and what I don't like in these headphones and whether they are a good buy or no. What I don't like about them is that they do not fold. They only fold flat like this, but they do not fold in any other way. Also, what I don't like about them is that they have sound leakage when you put them on a high volume, and they default always to ANC off when you turn them off and then back on. Now, what I like about them is that they are stylish, they are affordable, they have a good sound, and they have a very good battery life. They also have very good features, and their active noise cancellation is okay. Now, do I recommend them? I say try them on, see if they are comfortable for you, because they do not float like this. If you find them comfortable and you like the ANC, I say they are highly recommended. You can find them on the link in the description. This is an affiliate link. If you make a purchase, I gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech, and I want to thank you all for watching.